teman-teman, jumpa lagi di Lelek Channel. Aku mau main game My Little Pony. Seru sekali teman-teman. Teman-teman jangan lupa subscribe, like, comment, dan share. Selamat menonton.
Leather-bound volume caught his eye. It was big and beautiful and was calling to him irresistibly.
Aku milih Fluttershy.
What was that? The library alarm. Discord is messing with books he shouldn't. This is not gonna have a happy ending. We've gotta get there before it's too late.
Ayo Fluttershy, lompat. Yeay. Ups, hati-hati.
In a hurry, so try to avoid obstacles and holes.
Ayo Fluttershy, lompat lagi. Yeay,
Just a
berhasil.
little further.
Ayo Fluttershy, lompat lagi. Yeay, berhasil.
Tap twice to double jump. You got it. Careful.
Ups, hati-hati.
Watch out.
Ups, hati-hati.
Tap twice to double jump.
Yeay.
Great. There are some perks to being a Pegasus. Fluttershy can fly high through the skies.
Hore, ganti
Slide your
warna
finger up and down the screen to
poni.
guide Fluttershy while she's flying.
Bow.
Great! Even the best make mistakes. Ouch!
Ups, hati-hati. Yeay.
Way to go! Oh no! Too late! That's the worst book Discord could have read.